Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing an essential aspect of the legal system, civil procedure. Whether you're a law student, someone considering a career in law, or just curious about how the court system works, this video will give you a comprehensive overview of civil procedure. So, let's get started. What is civil procedure? In simple terms, civil procedure refers to the body of laws, rules, and guidelines that dictate how civil cases are handled in court. Civil cases typically involve disputes between individuals, organizations, or entities, usually over rights, obligations, or claims that don't involve criminal matters. Examples include lawsuits over contracts, personal injury, property disputes, or family law matters like divorce and custody. Civil procedure essentially acts as a roadmap, guiding both the parties involved and the court system through the legal process, from the moment a lawsuit is filed to the resolution, whether it be through settlement or trial. Now, let's explore how civil procedure works. Generally, the process begins with a complaint or petition, where one party, known as the plaintiff, formally submits a claim against another party, known as the defendant. The defendant then responds to the claim, often by filing an answer or a motion to dismiss. Throughout the litigation process, civil procedure governs the exchange of evidence and documents through what's called discovery. This is a critical phase because both parties gather the information they need to build their case. If the case isn't resolved through settlement or alternative dispute resolution like mediation, it may go to trial. Civil procedure outlines the rules for everything from jury selection to the presentation of evidence and witness testimony. Finally, after the trial, the judge or jury delivers a verdict, and if necessary, there is an opportunity for appeals, where a higher court reviews the case to ensure the legal process was followed properly. Why is civil procedure important? Civil procedure is crucial because it ensures fairness and order in the legal system. Without these structured rules, lawsuits would be chaotic, unpredictable, and potentially biased. Civil procedure ensures that everyone has a fair opportunity to present their case, that the legal process is transparent, and that justice is served according to established legal standards. By adhering to these rules, the courts can manage large numbers of cases efficiently while ensuring consistency in decision-making. Moreover, it provides individuals and entities a clear path to seek remedies for grievances, making the legal process accessible and just. Examples of rights guaranteed by civil procedure. Civil procedure guarantees several important rights for those involved in legal disputes. For instance, 1. The right to be notified about the lawsuit. This is known as service of process, which ensures that no one is brought into a case without their knowledge. 2. The right to present evidence and witnesses to support your claim or defense. 3. The right to a fair trial. Civil procedure outlines fair practices during trial, including how evidence can be introduced and challenged. 4. The right to appeal if you believe the trial court made a mistake in applying the law. These rights ensure that parties have a fair and equal chance to present their case, and that legal decisions are based on facts and law rather than arbitrary judgment. Job opportunities in civil procedure and national average salaries. If you're considering a career that involves civil procedure, there are several roles to explore. Let's look at some common job opportunities and their national average salaries. 1. Litigation attorney. A litigation attorney represents clients in civil cases, guiding them through the procedural rules and advocating for their interests. The national average salary for litigation attorneys is around $92,000 per year. 2. Paralegal. Paralegals play a crucial role in assisting attorneys, particularly with case preparation, document drafting, and managing discovery. The average salary for a paralegal is approximately $52,000 per year. 3. Legal secretary. Legal secretaries assist with the administrative tasks involved in civil cases, such as filing legal documents, scheduling, and organizing case materials. They earn about $49,000 annually on average. 4. Court clerk. A court clerk works within the court system, ensuring that civil cases proceed smoothly by handling filings, scheduling hearings, and maintaining court records. The average salary for court clerks is around $44,000 per year. 5. Judge. Civil court judges oversee civil cases, making critical decisions on procedural matters and, in some cases, ruling on the merits of the case. The national average salary for judges is approximately $124,000 annually. These roles offer diverse career paths, each involving some aspect of civil procedure. Whether you're interested in working directly with clients or behind the scenes in court administration, the procedural knowledge you gain can be applied to numerous professions. Skills required for people in civil procedure. To succeed in any of these roles, there are several key skills that are essential for working in civil procedure. 1. Attention to detail. Civil procedure is all about following specific rules and timelines. Missing a deadline or overlooking a crucial detail could severely impact a case. 2. Research and analytical skills. Whether you're a lawyer or a paralegal, the ability to research case law and statutes, analyze legal documents, and apply them to a case is critical. 3. Communication skills. Effective written and verbal communication is key in drafting legal documents, arguing motions, and negotiating settlements. 4. Organizational skills. Given the volume of documents and evidence in civil cases, strong organizational skills are crucial for managing information and deadlines. 5. Negotiation skills. Many civil cases are resolved through negotiation and settlement before going to trial, so being a strong negotiator is essential for lawyers in this field. 6. Time management. Civil cases often have strict deadlines, and being able to manage multiple tasks efficiently is vital in ensuring cases move forward without delay. In conclusion, civil procedure forms the backbone of the civil justice system, ensuring that cases are handled fairly, efficiently, and transparently. It provides both the structure and safeguards necessary to guarantee that justice is served. Whether you're considering a career in law or just seeking to understand how civil disputes are resolved, knowledge of civil procedure is invaluable. We've covered what civil procedure is, how it works, its importance, some examples of rights it guarantees, job opportunities in the field, and the essential skills needed to succeed. I hope this video has helped clarify the crucial role civil procedure plays in the legal system. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal insights. See you in the next video.